Xinxiang Gaofu Machinery Co Ltd. Was founded in 2000 and is located in Xinxiang City, China. The company is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of vibration machine, screening equipment, coal crusher, and filtration equipment. The company covers an area of 60,000 square meters and a building area of 46,000 square meters. Registered capital of Chinese yuan 51 million and 373 employees. Gaofu products are widely used in food, pharmaceutical, chemical, metallurgy, building materials, mining, thermal power, environmental protection, and other fields. We have obtained ISO 9001 international certification and CE certification. Gaofu shares are listed on the new OTC on March 25, 2016. In 2017, the company brand Gaofu is identified as China well-known trademark. Gaofu Company also owns Henan Province famous trademark, 1 provincial high technology expertise, Henan technical small and medium enterprises, and 200 patents. As a comprehensive manufacturing and trading company in the screening industry, the products of Gaofu Machinery are not only popular in Greater China, but also exported to 83 countries and regions such as the Netherlands, France, Peru, Australia, Ecuador, Chile, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, India, Vietnam, Philippines, and Sri Lanka. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.